Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're unpacking a really fascinating piece of nutritional science, the incredible health benefits of clove coffee. Now, if you're looking for a natural, anti-inflammatory drink, especially if you're over 60 and wanting to revitalize those mornings without leaning on expensive supplements, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to look at how combining two very common pantry staples creates this biological reaction that can completely transform how you feel, literally every single day. So let's just be real for a sec. Millions of us struggle with these exact issues on a daily basis. You know the feeling. You wake up with this mental fog that just refuses to lift until noon. Or maybe you notice that quiet, persistent aching in your knees and joints when you take those first few steps out of bed. Or maybe it's uncomfortable bloating after meals. Or these wild blood sugar swings that leave you feeling totally exhausted. It's so easy to just write this off as a normal part of aging, right? But what if the remedy wasn't locked behind a prescription, but was actually sitting quietly right there in your spice cabinet? Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today. The 10-cent morning miracle, the science of food synergy, digestion, blood sugar, and liver impacts, joint pain and cognitive benefits, 3 coffee mistakes you definitely need to avoid, and finally, the step-by-step best brewing methods. Let's jump right into part 1, the 10-cent morning miracle. We live in this era of $50 supplement bottles and super complicated health routines, right? But true functional nutrition really doesn't have to break the bank. For literally less than 10 cents, a single dried clove holds the power to do what so many expensive engineered pills simply can't. And honestly, major supplement companies are probably hoping you never connect these dots. This century-old spice is one of the most nutrient-dense, powerfully anti-inflammatory botanicals on Earth. And when it meets your morning coffee, the results are, quite frankly, transformative. Which perfectly brings us to Section 2. The science of food synergy. You see, when you mix these two, you aren't just making a fun flavored drink. You are triggering a biochemical reaction known in nutritional science as food synergy. This just means that when you combine certain compounds, they don't just add their isolated benefits together, they actively multiply each other's effects. So in this case, 1 plus 1 does not equal 2, it equals 10. You're creating this super nutrient-rich compound that works on multiple bodily systems all at once. Let's look at the key players here. First up, coffee. It's one of the absolute richest sources of polyphenols in the modern diet, especially something called chlorogenic acid. It's a powerful antioxidant that directly boosts your baseline metabolism and helps stabilize your glucose. Then we have clove, which contains this magnificent compound called eugenol. Actually, clove is the richest natural source of eugenol on the entire planet. It's a molecule with extraordinarily potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. When chlorogenic acid meets eugenol, they basically team up to neutralize oxidative stress and rapidly drive down systemic inflammation in your body. All right, moving on to Section 3, digestion, blood sugar, and liver. So what does this actually look like over time? Let's walk through this biological timeline. Within just the first 15 minutes of drinking this, the eugenol gently relaxes your blood vessels. This gives you steady energy and mental clarity, but totally without those typical anxious caffeine jitters. Now, fast forward 24 hours. The unique properties of the cloves start reducing intestinal fermentation. This drastically cuts down on gas and that heavy abdominal bloating. By day 3, your blood sugar really begins to stabilize. The coffee slows glucose absorption, while the clove lowers the inflammation that causes insulin resistance in the first place. And after a month, your liver function actually improves. Eugenol acts as a serious antioxidant for your liver, clearing out oxidative stress, which leads to lower liver enzymes and even clearer, more vibrant skin. Let's look deeper into Section 4, joint pain and cognitive benefits. Beyond just metabolic health, this combination is an absolute godsend if you're over 60 and dealing with daily aches, pains, or that frustrating mental fog. Eugenol works directly at the cellular level by blocking key inflammatory pathways. It actively inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines, which is basically a fancy science term for the exact molecules responsible for chronic, low-grade joint pain and arterial damage. This is why it so effectively reduces morning stiffness and swelling. Meanwhile, up in your brain, the caffeine is successfully blocking adenosine. That's the chemical that makes you feel sluggish, while those antioxidants cross the blood-brain barrier to protect your neural pathways and restore sharp, focused memory. I absolutely love this quote because it's such a beautiful summary of how this feels. Caffeine gives you the energy, clove removes the anxiety. Because eugenol has this wonderfully mild, calming effect on the central nervous system, it perfectly balances out the aggressive spike of caffeine. You're left with what researchers call anxiety-free clarity. Okay, section 5. Pay close attention here. 3 coffee mistakes to avoid. You see, you can have all this incredible science, but honestly, 90% of people completely ruin the medicinal benefits by making a few very common preparation mistakes. Mistake number 1 is simply dropping a whole uncrushed clove into a mug of already brewed coffee. Clove is an incredibly dense, hard spice. Without intense heat or physical crushing, the cell walls remain totally sealed, and you extract absolutely zero eugenol. Mistake number 2, boiling the clove for longer than 5 to 7 minutes. Eugenol is highly sensitive to heat, so prolonged boiling actively destroys its therapeutic properties. And mistake number 3, turning your coffee into a dessert. If your daily coffee order sounds more like a $7 milkshake packed with syrups and sugar, you are actively blocking every single health benefit we've talked about today. And dairy is a massive problem here. Adding milk introduces casein proteins, and these proteins actively bind directly to the polyphenols in the coffee and the clove. This chemical binding literally blocks 50 to 70% of their absorption in your gut. No way around it. That is a massive loss. If you want the real health benefits, you really need to drink it black. Now, if you absolutely must add something, a tiny pinch of cinnamon or a small spoon of coconut oil won't interfere with the absorption at all. So, how do we get it right? Section 6. Step-by-step best brewing methods. To get the absolute maximum biological benefit at home, you want to use the decoction method. Here is exactly how you do it. Step 1. Grab 3 whole dried cloves. Toss them in a small pot with about 10 ounces of water and bring it to a rolling boil. The second it boils, lower the heat and let it gently simmer for exactly 5 minutes. No more, no less. Then strain the cloves right out. Finally, just take that hot, powerful clove-infused water and use it to brew your coffee however you normally do, whether that's a drip machine, French press, or pour over. And remember, drink it slowly, ideally on an empty stomach. Now, we know mornings can be super rushed, so let's compare our options. The decoction method we just covered, that delivers 100% of the therapeutic effects. But if you are in a massive hurry, you can totally use the quick method. Take 1 whole clove, completely crush it in a mortar, or smash it flat with the side of a heavy knife, and drop that crushed clove directly into your freshly brewed hot black coffee. Let it sit for 3 minutes. It's not perfect, you're getting about 60 to 70% of the full effect, but hey, it is infinitely better than skipping it entirely. Just a quick safety check before we wrap up. While this is a highly beneficial natural remedy, eugenol does have a mild anticoagulant effect. So if you are currently taking prescription blood thinners, definitely consult your doctor first. Also, if you have severe active gastritis or a stomach ulcer, the acidity of the coffee itself might be a bit too irritating, and the clove won't magically fix that. Always listen to your body and your healthcare provider. So there you have it. We've seen today how an incredibly inexpensive kitchen spice can lower inflammation, sharpen your mind, protect your liver, and soothe your digestion. The science is there, the synergy is real, and honestly, the preparation is so simple. Remember, you're not broken. Your morning coffee might just be broken. The real question is, armed with all this new knowledge, will you fix your morning tomorrow? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and here is to a sharper, healthier start to your day.